This is my project on carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is a material that is used for all kinds of things like car frames, airplanes, or even a phone case. Carbon fiber was first invented near Cleveland, Ohio in 1958. It wasn't until a new manufacturing process was developed at a British research center in 1963 that carbon fiber strength potential was realized. Carbon fiber is made out of polyacrylonitrile PAN for short, which makes up about 90% of the material. The other 10% is made out of rayon or petroleum pitch. When you take the pan and heat it up, you start to make carbon fiber, and this is done by putting it in basically an oven and heating it up to around 390 to 590 degrees Fahrenheit for around 30 minutes to maybe a little over an hour. And this causes the chemical structure of the pan to change to where it's mostly carbon atoms in a row. So this is a picture of whenever you take the pan fibers and start to heat them up, and you can see at the bottom they're kind of goldish, and at the top they're black, and the black is basically carbon fiber coming out of the machine. Once it's been heated up and the color has changed, they run the carbon fiber through another oven that has no oxygen. This allows the fiber to not burn because it's about 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, but allows the non-carbon atoms to burn off so they're not left with anything but mostly a carbon atom chain. Here you see where the carbon fibers come out of the second oven and it's starting to be wound up on spools. These carbon fiber strands are what manufacturers use when making parts out of carbon fiber. When the manufacturer wants carbon fiber sheets, they take hundreds of the spools that you saw earlier and they weave them together to make carbon fiber sheets. Boeing uses carbon fiber on its new 787 Dreamliner to cut down on its weight, and all of the black that you see on the plane pictured above is made out of carbon fiber to cut down on the weight. By using carbon fiber, they make the fuselage in less pieces, and by doing so, they cut down on the joints that they need to join the plane together compared to an aluminum-bodied plane. In this video clip here, this is actually Boeing making a piece of the fuselage for its 787, and they created this machine specifically for this plane. The carbon fiber frame is heated up in a pressure oven to make sure that the resin sets and let any air that is trapped in between the carbon fibers escape. The reason behind letting the air bubbles escape is if they remain in the frame, it will cause fatigue points that would have to be fixed, or the carbon fiber layers could separate and cause a part of the plane to peel off and structural problems to happen. With the weight of the plane being about 100,000 pounds less than that of the same sized plane that would be out of aluminum body, it's able to fly a lot farther than an aluminum body plane would be able to. This is a chart that shows the different percentages of fuel savings versus a regular aluminum body plane going to different cities. And the 20% fuel savings on the 787 is due to the reduction in weight that the carbon fiber produces for it, and it also produces less CO2 emissions. These are all of the sources that I used in my project.